We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. This week is all about transformation, new flowers, new vines, new animals, and lots of little new projects. Also doing a little bit of DIY on our terrace and some big projects in the garden. And then towards the end of the video, we'll take you to a beautiful place which we filmed a couple of weeks ago. It's a beautiful place that is on the way to Portopalo, so hang on till the end of the video. And boy oh boy, my mulberry tree is so full. Look at that. Very nice. The biggest mulberry tree I've seen in my life, honestly. Huge. After last week's video asking you all the colors that we could paint the house, I got quite a few nice answers, and some of you gave me a really good idea. So what I did was I played around a little bit with AI, as you do, and I love AI only for these type of things only. And I got a few colors, so I'm going to show you now. The first color I got was a terracotta. I asked for a lime wash terracotta, which you see a lot around here. And yeah, I don't know. I think it was a little bit too dramatic for my likings. It does look good. Then we went for a more of a sandy, I think it was called a light sienna. Someone said a light sienna. And I knew it obviously had to do with a bit of sand or, terracotta. So that was a bit dramatic for me too. The other one came out, I asked for a light creamy antique white, and it came out more yellow, which I don't like the external of the house to be yellow. Sometimes a light yellow inside is beautiful, but not on the outside. And then I went for a taupe. There's Massi. I went for a taupe, which I love at the moment, and I asked for a really light, delicate taupe, and I loved it. I asked to take away the burglar bars and to add some framing around the window and even the door, and wow, I loved the result. And it's incredible. I mean, I remember I used to have to draw everything to get an idea of what things would look like in the bedroom or whatever. Nowadays, you can just ask AI. It's crazy. Anyway, love all your ideas. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me some remedies with the finger. It's all sorted. Today we have a busy day. We have a busy day. I'll explain. We have got a new out of ground swimming pool. We've got a really nice one, medium size, a little bit bigger than the one that we had before, but not extremely big. And now we are planning to do something with it. Okay, so our plan is, obviously it's going to take a few weeks and it's going to be extremely hard. The plan is to have the pool coming straight off from the veranda here. So we're going to have to open up, to show you, open up a section of this wall. And then you'll have two big steps and you will be going down into the pool, which will then be covered with a decking, some sort of a decking, which is going to take a while. Anyway, we've measured out the measurement of the pool and a little bit bigger. And today our mission is to dig the grass and take the grass out and place it here where we wanted to do the grass area. We don't want to lose the grass. So it's going to be quite a big job this morning. We're going to see how we get along. And as you know, we're in our 50s now, so we've got to take it easy. So Massi was saying we're in our 50s and we have to take it easy.
Yeah, I don't know what to say to answer that, but when you get to 50 and over,
Mm.
you start feeling a lot of different feelings, and you get parts of your body that you didn't know existed actually start to hurt. Yeah.
Absolutely. And we always push ourselves to the limit and then cry at night. Is that right?
Not cry, just moan.
Anyway, we're gonna start digging now, so let's see how that goes.
Wish me luck.
So basically we've marked off the area that we want the pool to sit. We're going to have a little entrance from the terrace, knock down the wall there, half the wall, 2 big steps, and we're going to walk into this area, and then we're going to have the platform around the pool. So the thing is, Massi doesn't want to ruin the grass because we want to recycle the grass. We want to put it up by that area that we had talked about in a couple of videos ago. So obviously this is going to be quite a slow job, because otherwise we would just get in and dig. Oh, okay, so this is the plan of action. As we dig there, we take the grass away and we put it here, and hopefully we can cover this whole area. So it's double work that we're doing, but we'll do it. So this took us 2.5 days, so we can calculate it being 1 day. Actually, Massi did the majority of the work, of course. I just helped him roll the grass and transfer it to the other side, and helped him carry the wheelbarrow a little bit. I will say that I was a little bit worried because of Massi's back, but actually he was okay. We always love an adventure. We love to push ourselves to the limit, because why not? It's better than just sitting and doing nothing. And of course the end project will be absolutely beneficial, and we will love it in the end. As we started to lay the grass down, I could just see it completely transforming. It's absolutely incredible what a bit of grass can do to just neaten everything up and transform everything. We've had those stones for more than 5 years, and as I said before in another video, they were starting to look really grubby and horrible, and just by having the grass will also cool everything down. I feel like stone, the white stone, reflected a lot of the heat off the stone and onto us walking around. So by having grass and knowing that I have to water it, it just will cool everything down. I'm going to be very honest with you. When Massi and I do little DIY projects, we bicker and argue constantly. We argue because we both have extremely strong characters and we both want to lead the project, which is sometimes a little bit annoying. But we still, of course, love each other, but we do argue a lot. How about you? Do you argue with your partner when you do a DIY job? Let us know. Right, so you get the idea. It's going to be quite a job.
This out is too thick.
Too thick. And we are quite tired, and we've only done 2 little rows. So yeah, it's going to be a long day. Massi had to go get some new spades because ours broke. Great.
I suppose I'm too strong for the spade and I snapped it, so it got me another handle and then
A gold one!
Look old.
Gold! That goes nicely in my bathroom. So this is day 2, and of course we always get sidetracked. We were supposed to just do the digging for the pool, and then we started to lay down the grass, and now we're laying down a lovely stone path. Yes, we like to multitask too, but we get deviated. So update on the grass area, it's looking really nice. Of course, it's really still a bit choppy. It needs to all grow into each other. But wow, it was a lot of hard work. And I'm loving this little pathway with the stones. We're going to continue right into my sister and brother-in-law's property. That'll be quite nice. And Massi's going to demonstrate what it's like hanging out, washing on the pathway. Okay, you don't have to go into too much detail, Massi. So yeah, so that's probably me. He's imitating me and how I hang the washing. Brilliant. Okay, love it. Right, so we've just bought two beautiful vines, dark ones, because we got two light ones and we're gonna get two dark ones.
But we also got mint, we got tomatoes,
yeah, we've got
rosemary.
We've got all sorts here: mint, tomato, rosemary. This little plant. I want to see how we're gonna get this in the car. We are literally only 1-2 minutes away from home, so we might just slowly stick it out of the boot of the car. Hopefully it won't get destroyed. Let's see if we can get them home in one piece. Slowly. So we managed to get the vines home without breaking them all in one piece. And we have completed the little stone pathway and the grass is looking good. So far so good. We eventually hope that the vine will grow and we'll carry on with the pergola like the other side. So we've dug out the hole. We have to now figure out how to level it and put the pool in and do a decking. That will be in a couple of weeks' time. So a couple of weeks ago when we went to Pachino, we'd also stopped off at this amazing tonnara tuna factory, which was completely abandoned. And we'll just show you around this fantastic area.
So I've gone and asked these guys that are working inside here, and they said, yeah, we can go in and have a look, we just need to be careful.
Okay.
It's a bit dangerous, so we're just going to go in and park the car down there.
Wow. Let's
we
go.
Can have a look.
But these columns, babe, do you think they just ran? That's incredible. So we're slowly going in with our car. Thank goodness we got a little smart. Wow. It's crazy. Look at this. It's almost like a little village that's been forgotten, Mas.
Yeah. Okay, let's do this.
Let's stop here. I know, it's incredible. Of course, they've had to close up because it's quite dangerous. You can see roof is falling down. So they stop people from coming in.
It was basically a tuna village.
Tuna village, yeah, where they would work the tuna, and people probably stayed here. I'm not sure. The tonnara of Portobello di Capopassero is situated in the southernmost tip of Sicily, directly facing the island of Capopassero, which we still need to visit, by the way. This tonnara has been active since the Middle Ages and is renowned for its bluefish tuna fishing. It ceased its primary operations in 1969. Today, it stands strong as a fascinating testament to Sicilian industrial archaeology. Oh my god, I'm taking this home. Can we put it in the smart? Do you think it'll fit? Oh, no! Wow.
I know you can say that.
Oh, look at this.
So basically, we've got Maria trying to pick up rocks to take home.
I can put this on my wall.
Yeah, these are just, it's very dangerous, I suppose. What did you find?
Look at this. So sad. I wish they would fix these things. How can they just leave them here?
It's like a statue. Just look down.
I think it's probably happened with the bad weather, the cyclone.
No, this has been here for many years.
Do you reckon? It's beautiful. Look at it.
It's amazing. Don't touch his private parts.
It can happen anyway. It's covered. It's got good six-pack, I must say. The friendly builder that Massi had spoken to earlier on came down to have a little chat with us and just to give us a little insight of what's happening in this beautiful tonnara. He did say that a company from Milan has bought the tonnara for plus minus 10 million euros and obviously has to spend a whole lot more to have it all sorted and fixed up. Here we found an abandoned church, which was obviously there for the fishermen when they had the big catch of the tuna. And who knows if people were actually living here. It almost looks like a little village, I have to be honest. So obviously they needed a church to have a gathering of some sort for everybody. Beautiful church, which is unfortunately...
Questo è assurdo.
Bellissimo, eh?
Ah, ok. No, sto perché no, come là.
E ce l'ho, adesso ce l'ho.
No. Look at this. Oh, no. I just can't believe that they would just leave things lying like this. So at this exact point where we are standing, we realized afterwards it was quite hollow underneath and quite dangerous. But the view of the sea and the island in front was absolutely breathtaking. You can just imagine how they lived there and what they saw every day. I suppose they just took it for granted. Anyway, this was quite dangerous, so I needed to get away as soon as possible, and we went and saw another area. So we're just going to go see. Apparently there are some ovens where they would cook here. So we're just going to go see. Look at this, the whole city. Wow. Look at that lion statue. Huh. Right, Massi's just found our front door. Apparently, let's go have a look.
I wish.
Yes, that is stunning. Woo! Loads of geckos. It's the period, the gecko period. Yeah, this wall is like literally holding on for dear life. Terracotta remains. So, Massi was telling us that...
Well, I wasn't telling you, I just
the
got
guy,
some information from the guy that's responsible for you. He said that this is, well, it's basically a tuna factory, what you call tuna fishery.
Yeah,
And
well it was.
it was, and it's from the 1800s.
Mm-hmm.
And it's obviously been abandoned for many years. And an English company called Love, he said, I think he said Love, have bought this for 10 million plus the island. And they're going to come and restore everything. They're going to turn it into a luxury resort, basically.
Which I don't
So
like.
everything is going to get thrown down and it's going to get restored to what it was. So it's going to get rebuilt to what it was before, and they're going to turn it into this big massive hotel. They actually want to buy the castle as well.
Don't even tell me that. That makes me so angry.
They said they want to buy the castle as well. So don't know how that's going to work out, but yeah.
Castle hotel. It's not really a castle.
Yeah, that is a hotel at the moment. They do a lot of
Yeah.
weddings.
Anyway, I'm glad we're seeing it before it gets.
Yeah, and it's
before it becomes a
broken
hotel.
down glory, you can call it.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's beautiful. Wow.
Stunning.
It's the most amazing thing I've seen yet.
Yeah. So what are your thoughts on this new luxury hotel that will be built here? Now we've got to get out of the jungle. Ooh, we made it. Well, we are going to leave you here. We hope you enjoy these pictures that I took while we were there. And thank you for subscribing if you're new. Thank you for commenting, and have a little look at our membership side or even our Patreon. And thank you so much for watching our videos, and we'll see you next week with a brand new one. Ciao, alla prossima!